Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I'm going to share with you an Italian pasta recipe, that is pesto pasta or pesto sauce pasta. I'm using penne pasta for this, but you can use any kind of pasta. This is a very refreshing recipe and healthy as well, and can be made quickly for lunch or dinner. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now start making pesto pasta. For that, first we are going to make the pesto sauce. For that, here in a mixing jar I'm taking 4 cloves of garlic, then goes 7-8 roasted almonds. You can use roasted pine nuts if you have, and I'm going to grind them for a minute. It's done, as you can see. Now the next ingredient, that is the main ingredient, which is the basil. It is the fresh Thai basil, or also known as Italian basil. Handful of basil. Pesto sauce is made with basil leaves. Then goes Parmesan cheese. I'm using 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Then goes half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Then goes extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil at first I'm going to add. Then I'm going to grind them. If we need some more extra virgin oil, we will add it later, but don't add any water. Pesto sauce does not require any water, so this is not pasty. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of more extra virgin olive oil. So all total I'm using 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So you also check the consistency of the pesto sauce and add more extra virgin olive oil as required. So again, in with the lid, and I'm going to make a paste. So within a jiffy, the pesto sauce is ready, and I'm going to show you how vibrant the color is. I'm going to take it out into a bowl. This smells very awesome, very refreshing, and it's ready. Now we are going to cook the pasta. For that, here I am boiling up some water. To that I am using 1 tablespoon of salt. This water should be salty as sea water. To that I am adding 100 grams of penne pasta. The water should be boiling hot. Stir it and boil it over medium flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are going to check it. The pasta should be al dente, that means there should be a bite into the pasta. As you can see, there is a white round edges present in the middle. That means it's al dente, a little bit undercooked from the middle. Now the pasta is ready. Now we are going to assemble all the things together. For that, here I have added 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, then some chopped tomatoes. I'm using 1 small tomato here. You can use cherry tomatoes if you want. Stir it, and then I'm going to add the boiled penne pasta. Then toss it. It's a very easy recipe. Just make the pesto sauce. You can make the pesto sauce a day before and store it in airtight container and make this pasta whenever you want. Now I'm going to add the prepared pesto sauce. Then mix it, but before that add half a cup of pasta water. This is the reserve pasta water, the water in which we have boiled the pasta. I have reserved half cup of that and I have added that. That starch in the pasta water will thicken it up a little bit. Now mix the pesto. It's done. Next goes half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and then some more Parmesan cheese. I'm using 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese here. Mix it, and that's it. The pasta is ready. The pesto sauce pasta is ready to serve. Do make this recipe for your friends and family. They are going to love it. Now I'm going to serve it with some freshly cut tomatoes and for freshness some basil leaves. That's it. The garnish is done. Doesn't it look delicious? You can also sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on the top as well. Do make this recipe and also do share the videos with your friends and family, and also comment in the comment section below and let me know about your feedback. Thank you. I hope you like this recipe.